All right, everyone, let me start by saying nice teamwork again on Friday. Let's talk about the market real quick. You know what? We're actually within sight of all-time highs. Pretty impressive after what happened back in April, right? But it is worth noting, I think after hours on Friday, Moody's downgraded the U.S. rating and the SPY sold off a bit in after hours. So we'll have to see how that affects trades this week. Let me throw this up real quick. Pause the video and read that, please, if you haven't already. But no matter what happens, no matter where we open, we're going to find some trades, right? We're going to start with the daily charts as we always do, and then hopefully have some nice intraday setups. And I'm looking forward to trading with y'all on Monday. All right, some nice posts on Friday. I'm going to go right into the stocks that are interesting as chart-wise going into the week coming up. Pony's been really, really strong. Few-day pullback. I actually called this back through 18 late in the day, and we got a late day 43-cent run on maybe 15 cents risk, so that was pretty nice. But it looks good still. We'll have to see how the market opens. QUBT, nice breakout. Worth watching this week. ABAT, after this pop, is kind of flagging there. I want to keep that one on our radar. Lunar as well had a nice pop on earnings, probably Tuesday, and is holding up pretty well. Rumble, which is RUM, kind of looks like Lunar. RZLV, pretty impressive pop here and sideways, and we could catch a breakout over this area. ASPI broke out on Friday and could continue. EBS looks similar to the others, right? ARQQ. I think it's one of the quantum computing plays and getting nice volume and still has some chart catalysts above, like this big pop here. And so that could be a target, and if we get over that, could certainly be kind of a big breakout. So let's keep that one on watch. SPCE, massive move on Friday, but closing way off its highs. But with that kind of volume, we definitely want to keep that on watch all week. Should give some nice intraday setups for us. TSSI, great call in chat by Eric P on an inside fives on Friday. The intraday entry on that would have been 1340 and went all the way up to 1640. Probably about 70 cents risk that never stopped out. Great post by Eric P. And that's what I mean when I say great teamwork, right? Stuff like that. ASST holding up after that big pop on Thursday. Held up fairly well on Friday. Doesn't look great, but I do want to watch it. CABA, also a couple big volume days, and didn't close too far from Friday's high. So let's keep that one on our radar. SYTA, also closing way off its highs. This is one I talked about. Usually when it gets a pop, it gets slapped right back down here. And then here, this is kind of the first time it had a decent pop that didn't kind of give it all back in one day. It is definitely worth keeping on watch. CoreWeave, CRWV, hasn't been trading that long, but pushing to new all-time highs. And QS had a nice volume spike on Friday. So that's it. Let's join each other in pre-market tomorrow morning and put some gappers on this list as well. And I'm looking forward to trading. We should have some great trades this week.